Have you ever woken up feeling slow and heavy, like your body hasn't fully switched on yet? You have goals, tasks, and expectations, but your energy feels stuck. Imagine drinking something natural that awakens your body from the inside out. No chemicals, no expensive supplements, just pure, natural ingredients that give you energy, clarity, and confidence. Today, I'm going to show you a simple homemade drink that has helped many people feel more energized, light, and ready for the day. And the best part? You only need ginger, coffee, lemon, honey, and hot water. If you want to feel more active, more confident, and more alive, follow every step carefully. Thank you for watching and hit the subscribe button.
Start by taking a fresh piece of ginger. Make sure it is washed and cleaned properly. Ginger has a very strong aroma and natural oils that awaken your body. Place the ginger on a cutting board and cut it into very tiny pieces. If you prefer, you can crush it instead. What matters is getting the ginger into fine pieces so it releases as much of its natural strength as possible. The smaller the pieces, the better the mixture will work. After cutting the ginger, take a clean bowl. Transfer all the chopped or crushed ginger into the bowl. Spread it evenly inside the bowl so it forms a base. You should already smell the freshness of the ginger at this point. Take 1 packet of instant coffee. Any brand you have works fine. Tear it open and pour the coffee directly into the bowl on top of the ginger. As the coffee hits the ginger, the colors mix and the aroma becomes even stronger. Coffee provides alertness and sharp focus, while ginger wakes the body. Together, they form a powerful natural combination. Next, take 1 fresh lemon, place it on a flat surface, and roll it gently with your palm. This helps release more juice. Then take a knife and cut the lemon in half. Hold one of the halves above the bowl and press firmly to squeeze the juice into the mixture of ginger and coffee. Make sure none of the seeds fall in. Lemon adds freshness, cleanses the system, and balances the bold flavor of coffee and ginger.
Use a spoon and start stirring the mixture gently. Mix in circular motion until the ginger, coffee, and lemon juice begin to blend into a dark, rich paste. Take your time. Don't rush this part. When the mixture looks smooth and you can smell the strong ginger-lemon aroma, you know it's ready for the next step. Now take a clean cup or mug. Pour the mixture from the bowl into the cup. If some ginger pieces remain in the bowl, scoop them all into the cup. You want all the natural benefits inside. Boil hot water. Carefully pour the hot water into the cup, filling it to the level you prefer. As soon as the hot water touches the mixture, the color changes and a warm, energizing scent rises. Stir slowly and watch how everything blends into a smooth and powerful drink. Finally, take 1 spoon of honey, add it into the cup, and stir until the honey melts completely into the mixture. Honey gives natural sweetness and helps smooth the strength of ginger and coffee. The flavor becomes warm, fresh, and balanced. Now your drink is ready. Sip it slowly. Feel the warmth travel through your body. Use this drink when you need to feel more awake, more focused, and more present, especially in the morning or before anything important. When used consistently, you'll start feeling lighter, clearer, and more in control of your energy. This isn't just a drink. It's a natural routine that signals your body to wake up and perform. Instead of depending on artificial energy boosters, you can rely on pure ingredients that come from nature. If you enjoyed this recipe and you want more natural drink ideas like this, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who needs more energy in their life, and subscribe for more simple, powerful health recipes. Your journey to a stronger and better you starts with small daily habits. Keep going, keep improving, and remember, nature always has a solution.